Are you someone who enjoys the rush of excitement, the edge of your seat suspense, and the heart-pounding drama of thrilling movies? लेकिन अगर आपको नहीं पता कौन सी हिंदी थ्रिलर मूवीज देखने लायक हैं, तो चिंता मत कीजिए. We have got a list of the top Hindi thriller movies in Bollywood just for you. These films will grip you from start to finish, keeping you on the edge of your seat and your heart racing. Number 10. Race, 2008. Race is a gripping suspense thriller directed by the renowned Barmawala brothers, Abbas Mastan, who are known for their mastery in the genre. The movie revolves around two brothers, Ranveer, played by Saif Ali Khan, and Rajiv, played by Akshay Khanna, who dominate the horse racing circuit. Rajiv, the younger brother, harbors envy towards Ranveer and indulges in alcoholism. His jealousy escalates to the point where he conspires to eliminate Ranveer in order to inherit a hefty insurance payout of $100 million. However, amidst their rivalry, a murder occurs, complicating matters further. This film is replete with unexpected twists and turns that will keep you hooked from the very beginning. It's a top-notch entertainer with stellar direction and a captivating soundtrack that adds to the thrill. Race is a must-watch for fans of suspenseful cinema.
You ready? इस गाड़ी में तो कोई भी जीत सकता है. रेस कार नहीं, चलाने वाला जीतता है.
Number 9. Kahani, 2012. Kahani, directed by Sujoy Ghosh, is an amazing mystery thriller. It stars Vidya Balan and tells the story of Vidya Bagchi, a pregnant woman from London who comes to Kolkata during the festive season to find her missing husband. इस फिल्म की शानदार स्टोरी लाइन और विद्या बालन की बेहतरीन एक्टिंग फिल्म को बहुत थ्रिलिंग बनाती है. As she digs deeper, she encounters various clues and people who may or may not be connected to her husband's disappearance. What makes this movie even more intriguing is the outstanding performances by the entire cast. कहानी का एंड इतना अमेजिंग है कि आप सोच में पड़ जाएंगे. So, if you haven't seen this film yet, you're missing out on a masterpiece.
My husband is missing.
आपका नाम?
Vidya Bagchi.
विद्या बागची.
नहीं, Vidya. V, not a B.
Number 8. Talash, 2012. Talash is a Bollywood movie starring Aamir Khan, Kareena Kapoor Khan and Rani Mukherjee, directed by Reema Kagti. It's a total package. Great storyline, fantastic acting, and catchy songs that'll stick with you. The story follows Surjan Singh Shekhawat, Aamir Khan, a cop investigating the murder of a popular actor Arman Kapoor, Vivan Bhatena. As Surjan delves deep into the case, he encounters Rosie, Kareena Kapoor, a sex worker from the red light area, whose involvement adds a layer of mystery to the narrative. ये कहानी इतनी रोमांचक है कि आपको पूरी फिल्म में बैठे रहने की इच्छा होगी. If you are in a mood for a gripping mystery, Talash is definitely worth watching.
पिछले 3-4 साल से उसी रोड पे ऐसे कई एक्सीडेंट्स हुए हैं. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया.
Number 7. Ugly, 2013. The movie Ugly by Anurag Kashyap is a gripping tale filled with intense emotions. It revolves around a dreadful incident, the kidnapping of a child. The characters in the movie are not just bad, they are worse than you can imagine. And as the story unfolds, things only get uglier. The film begins with a 10-year-old Kali being handed over to her struggling actor father Rahul by her distressed mother Shalini. और फिर जब राहुल अपने चालाक एजेंट चैतन्य से एक पोटेंशियल स्क्रिप्ट लेने जाता है, काली गायब हो जाती है. The cast is a mix of characters, from despicable street panhandlers to Shalini's second husband, the formidable local police chief Shomik. Rahul and Shomik shares a bitter history, and Shomik is determined to settle the score at any cost.
आप बता रहे हैं कि मैंने खुद ही अपनी बेटी को गायब किया.
करेक्ट.
कुछ तो दिमाग वाली बात करें ना सर.
दिमाग नहीं मेरे.
Number 6. Talwar, 2015. In Talwar, we are thrown into a gripping tale of tragedy and suspicion. It all starts with Shruti Tandon, a 14-year-old girl meeting a horrific fate in her own bedroom. The next day, the body of Khem Pal, the family's domestic helper, is found on the terrace. Ramesh and Nutan Tandon, played by Neeraj Kabi and Konkona Sen Sharma, find themselves thrust into a nightmare. उनकी बेटी की हत्या के आरोप में पिता पर जांच होने लगती है. The eerie similarity to the 2008 Noida double murder case of Arushi Talwar and Hemraj adds an extra layer of intrigue to the story. As the investigation unfolds, doubts arise about who the real culprit is. The movie navigates through the complexities of the case with a raw and realistic portrayal, steering clear of unnecessary theatrics. Talwar leaves viewers on edge, questioning the thin line between truth and perception.
पहली टीम के मुताबिक नौकर कातिल है और दूसरी टीम कहती है कि पेरेंट्स ने ही मारा.
Number 5. Drishyam, 2015. In the movie Drishyam, Ajay Devgan plays Vijay, a simple man leading a happy life with his family. Their peace is shattered when they become suspects in the disappearance of Sameer Deshmukh, the son of IG Meera Deshmukh, played by Tabu. विजय और उसका परिवार इस सिचुएशन का कैसे सामना करते हैं इस फिल्म में बड़े ही रोमांचक तरीके से बताया गया है. The tension mounts as Vijay and his family must navigate the complexities of the situation while trying to protect themselves. The film highlights Ajay Devgan's acting prowess as he delivers a stellar performance, earning accolades for his portrayal of Vijay. With a gripping plot and compelling performances, Drishyam captivates audiences with its suspenseful narrative and intriguing twists.
विजय और उसकी फैमिली को हम अच्छी तरह जानते हैं. वो अच्छे लोग हैं.
मेरा बेटा कहाँ है?
हम लोग तो घर पे थे ही नहीं.
Number 4. Ittefaq, 2017. In the movie Ittefaq, Dev, a police officer, is busy solving a double murder case. He's got two witnesses, but guess what? They're also the prime suspects. One's Vikram, a famous writer, and the other's Maya, just a regular homemaker. Both have their own version of the story, and trust me, they sound convincing. But Dave is stuck in the middle trying to figure out which story holds the truth. It's like, सच कभी-कभी बहुत मुश्किल होता है, you know? With actors like Akshay Khanna, Sonakshi Sinha and Siddharth Malhotra, the movie keeps you hooked as Dave struggles to uncover the real events of that fateful night.
इस कहानी में 3 पहलू हैं. एक विक्रम का, एक माया का और एक सच. हमें सच ढूंढना है.
Number 3. Badla, 2019. Badla is a roller coaster ride of a movie, filled with crazy twists and turns. Starring Taapsee Pannu, Amitabh Bachchan and Amrita Singh, it's hands down one of the best mystery thrillers out there. The story revolves around Naina Sethi, Taapsee Pannu, a businesswoman accused of killing her lover Arjun. Tony Luke. फिल्म में सभी पात्रों के हर रंग को देखने का मौका मिलता है. As the plot unfolds, you will find yourself questioning whether Naina Sethi is really guilty or not. And trust me, it's not just the main leads who shine. Even the supporting characters leave a lasting impact with their performances. Whether you are a fan of suspense or just love a good thriller, Badla is a must-watch.
मैं वही 6 देख रहा हूँ जो तुमने मुझे दिखाया या वो 9 जो मुझे देखना चाहिए था.
Number 2. रात अकेली है, 2020. रात अकेली है is a gripping murder mystery directed by Hani Trehan, featuring Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Radhika Apte. The story follows Jatal Yadav, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, a detective investigating the murder of a wealthy politician on his wedding night to Radha, Radhika Apte. इस फिल्म में एक बड़े और अमीर राजनेता की हत्या की जांच करने वाले जटिल यादव का किरदार है. As Yadav delves deeper, he uncovers a web of dark secrets, putting his own life at risk. The cast delivers brilliant performances, adding depth to the narrative. फिल्म की कहानी इतनी रोमांचक है कि आपको शुरुआत से लेकर अंत तक बांधे रखेगी. If you enjoy dark crime movies, रात अकेली है is a must watch for you.
और अगर एक बार दिमाग ठनक गया ना, फिर चाहे वर्दी जाए चाहे चौकी, हम सच कहीं से भी खोद निकालेंगे. इसकी चिंता आप न करें.
Number 1. Haseen Dilruba, 2021. Haseen Dilruba, a film available on Netflix, is a gripping mystery starring Taapsee Pannu, Vikrant Massey and Harshvardhan Rani. The story kicks off with a bang, like literally, as Rishabh Saxena meets his demise in a fiery explosion at home. What seems like an unfortunate accident soon unravels into a murder investigation, with Rani Kashyap, played by Taapsee Pannu, in the hot seat. As the police dig deeper, they uncover layers of secrets, affairs, and dark motives. Taapsee's character Rani finds herself entangled in a web of suspicion, weaving her own narrative to escape the clutches of law. Haseen Dilruba weaves together romance, betrayal, and murder, creating a tantalizing blend that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. While the entire cast delivers commendable performances, Vikrant Massey shines particularly bright, stealing the spotlight with his exceptional acting prowess.
लवर फरार है और मैडम घुमा रही है।
एक बार कुछ लीड हाथ आ जाए, इसको तो जेल में सड़ा डालूंगा मैं।
And that's a wrap on our list of the 10 best Bollywood thriller movies. Which movie from our list left you on the edge of your seat? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. What genre of movies would you like us to cover next?